What's up, beautiful people on the internet? My name is Whitney Wuzor, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the 5 common mistakes that I see a lot of new YouTubers and old YouTubers make that is actually hurting your channel. Yo, I'm just trying to keep it real and help you guys out so that you guys don't keep making the same mistake in every single video. Okay, let's get started. So first on the list is your intro is too long, which basically means that you're taking too long to get into the video. So you're basically spending time explaining, hey guys, sorry I haven't been here for a month. I've been so busy with school and I've had exams, and you're basically starting to lag the video. And in my personal experience, if you take more than 15 to 30 seconds to get to the point of your video, people start clicking off, and we don't want that. So if your intro is really long, make sure you condense it, make it short, that way people can watch your video for a longer duration of time. And this one makes so much sense because if you are YouTube researching about, let's say, top 5 pink lipsticks for women, and the person takes about 5 minutes just to get into the video and start explaining and showing you the lipsticks, you're probably gonna get bored, you're probably gonna click off, right? So make sure that your intro is always short. Next up is call to action. So another thing that I've seen a lot of YouTubers do, and I used to do it myself at some point here on this platform, and that is asking people to like and subscribe and comment in the beginning of your video. And now that I think of it, I'm just like, why would I want us to like and subscribe? I mean, I don't even know you. I don't know what you have to offer. I don't know whether I'm gonna like your content. So why would I like and subscribe in the beginning of the video, right? And literally, let me tell you a secret, come closer. If they like you, they're gonna like, comment, and subscribe, whether you tell them to or you don't. Now, if you do feel that it is important to make sure to include that, make sure that you're including it at the end of the video. That way, the viewer has already watched your video, and that way the person can come to know or come to a conclusion whether they want to be subscribed and see more content from you. It makes more sense when it's at the end of the video rather than when you're just starting off the video being like, hey guys, what's up? My name is Whitney Wuzor, and welcome to this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the beginning of the video. That is a very big mistake. Next one is equipment. So a lot of people have this ideology that you sort of need to have the best camera in order for you to get millions and billions of subscribers and views and all of that. And all of that is utter rubbish. Okay, because I've seen a couple of YouTubers who film on their iPhone 5S and they have millions of views watching their videos. Now, I'm not gonna lie, quality does matter here on this platform, especially now in 2020, it does matter. But the second most important thing is your content. What do you have to offer? Is it valuable? Can I learn something from it? Can I learn something from you? So if you're just starting a YouTube channel, or you are already a YouTuber and you're using your phone and you're complaining, don't complain, honey. Continue using your phone. Try and make your videos a little more creative in your editing. Being a content creator is like taking baby steps. So today you're starting off with just your phone or maybe your iPad or your tablet. Tomorrow you may be having a very expensive camera. So just take it as it is, go with the flow, baby steps always, there is no rush, there isn't a hurry. Next on the list is re-recording every time you mess up. Now, when I first started out filming content, filming videos for YouTube, I wasn't really too friendly with the camera. I was very camera conscious. Whenever I would make a single mistake, maybe a word, I mispronounced a word, I would start the entire thing all over again. And to be honest, you need to stop doing that because you're not only wasting your time, but you're also wasting your battery. So when you make a mistake, it's okay. It's something that can be edited out. As I'm filming this video, I've probably made 1,000 mistakes, but You will never know because I probably edit them out and it seems very flawless. It feels very together. So I don't want you to have this ideology that you need to be too perfect. Every content creator makes mistakes while speaking. We make mistakes while pronouncing certain words. So it's absolutely okay if you make a mistake. Just go like 3, 2, 1 and then start from that word again instead of starting from the entire paragraph again. Now, last but not least is trying to be too perfect or trying to be like someone else. Now, I'm sure a lot of you already have like YouTube idols or YouTubers that you personally love their content and you love them and just love everything about them. And you may want to create videos like they do, but one thing I wanted to keep in mind is that when you're creating videos, don't try and imitate someone else. Be yourself. Because to be honest, in video, in this box that you're watching me on, if I'm trying to imitate someone else, you would know. It does show. So try and be yourself, try and be your true self, because that is what your audience will connect to. That is what they will like about you, your true personality. So if you're stuck trying to be some other YouTuber, honey, you need to stop that right now and try and be your own self. Now, I know on YouTube there's this huge thing whereby if you're like this crazy YouTuber that's super duper loud, you'll have a lot of views compared to someone who is super duper quiet. But to be honest, there is a crowd for every single person. There is an audience for every single person. So just keep calm, be yourself. If you like a particular YouTuber, you love their content and you like to create content like them, don't try and copy every single thing that they do. Try and make it your own. So that's the 5 mistakes that I commonly see a lot of new YouTubers make. And I really hope that this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to comment that down below. That way I would know. If you have any mistakes that you've been making and you've corrected, let me know in the comment section below because I would love it to chat with you guys there. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. I do have more videos like this. And click on the bell so you can get notified, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.